Jurisdiction under CPC. Jurisdiction is the authority granted to a court to hear and decide cases. It is a fundamental principle of civil procedure. Without jurisdiction, no court can proceed with a suit, and any decision passed would be void. Jurisdiction ensures that litigation takes place in the appropriate court, avoiding inconvenience and injustice. Types of jurisdiction. 1. Pecuniary jurisdiction. Determines court's competence based on the value of the subject matter. For example, lower courts have limits up to which they can decide suits. 2. Territorial jurisdiction. Determines the geographical location where the suit can be filed. As per sections 15 to 20 of CPC. Section 15. Suits to be filed where the defendant resides or cause of action arises. Section 16. Suits related to a movable property must be filed where the property is situated. Section 19. Suits for compensation for personal wrong or movable property can be filed where the wrong happened or where the defendant lives. Subject matter jurisdiction. Certain courts have jurisdiction over specific kinds of suits, e.g., family courts, commercial courts. Important Supreme Court judgments. Laxman Mahadio Gupta vs. Union of India, 1963, Air 699. This case stressed that jurisdiction is a condition precedent for the exercise of judicial power. Without jurisdiction, courts cannot try a suit. Dalpat Kumar vs. Prahlad Singh, 1993, Air 276. The Supreme Court held that jurisdictional facts must exist at the time of institution of suit. Courts can't assume jurisdiction where none is conferred. Shamisha Singh vs. State of Punjab, 1974, Air 2192. The court reiterated that jurisdiction cannot be conferred by consent or waiver. Jurisdictional defects render the entire proceeding void. Mukesh Babu vs. Janardhan Reddy 2010-4, SCC 337. The court emphasized the territorial principle, confirming that suits related to a movable property must be filed where the property is located. Practical importance. Jurisdiction is a vital issue that courts scrutinize closely. Jurisdictional objections can be raised anytime, even suo motu by the court. Incorrect jurisdiction leads to wasted judicial resources and causes hardship to parties. Conclusion. Jurisdiction under CPC is a fundamental pillar that ensures orderly and lawful adjudication of civil disputes. The Supreme Court judgments reinforce the importance of jurisdiction and protect litigants' rights from being compromised by jurisdictional errors. Understanding jurisdiction and its nuances is critical for any judicial officer or lawyer.